In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a swipe file of high converting AI copy that you can use for your own marketing. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using just for viewers of this channel so you can follow along. The first step in building your swipe file is to find examples of high converting copy. The easiest way to do this is to search for ads, landing pages, and email sequences from brands that you admire or competitors in your niche. Pay close attention to headlines, calls to action, and the structure of the copy. Look for patterns that are consistently driving engagement and conversions. Once you've gathered some examples, the next step is to break down the elements that make them work. Is it the wording in the headline, the urgency in the CTA, the emotional appeal in the body text? This is where you'll start to identify the key components of high converting AI copy. Write these down in a document or a notebook that's easily accessible so you can reference them when needed. Now, let's talk about the AI tools that can help you create copy that converts. I've tried out most of the popular software on the market, and the one we'll be using today is my personal recommendation. This software is equipped with powerful features that generate high converting copy based on the successful elements we just discussed. I'll leave a link to a free trial in the description below, only available to viewers of this channel. You can try it for yourself and follow along. Once you've identified the core elements from the high converting examples and have your AI software ready, it's time to start creating your own copy. Use your swipe file as inspiration, but don't copy it verbatim. The key is to adapt the best performing elements to fit your product or service. Your AI tool will help you generate multiple versions of the copy, so you can test and see what resonates best with your audience. The next step is to constantly refine and update your swipe file. Whenever you come across a piece of high converting copy, add it to your file and analyze it. Over time, your swipe file will grow and evolve, and so will your ability to create copy that converts. It's important to remember that high converting copy is always changing as consumer preferences evolve, so stay on top of the latest trends. Now, for your key takeaway. The swipe file you build is a powerful resource that will give you the tools to write high converting AI copy quickly and effectively. By studying successful copy, breaking it down, and using AI to create your own variations, you can consistently produce copy that gets results. To recap, start by gathering examples of high converting copy, break them down to identify the key elements, use your AI tool to create your own copy, and constantly update your swipe file with new examples. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below and start building your own swipe file today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.